Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you an Alina crafts haul. I purchased a few more dies from her store, and I wanted to share with you what I picked up and what I created with them. This is the first die that I picked up, and it's a really pretty border, and it has kind of like the image of a flower. And then I also got this one right here. And this is an image of a flower. It's really pretty cut out. I picked up this stamp set. It looks like that. And it's a girl. It's a party, welcome baby. So it's a baby girl theme. And it also has coordinating dies to go along with the stamp set. So let me just share with you what this flower looks like right here. When you cut it out, it looks like this, and of course you gotta poke all of them out. I didn't do a good job on this one, but I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. And this is the image of what this die looks like when you cut it out. And what I created with that was this little mini Easter embellishment. I got my cute little Easter bunny on there, and I got some eggs, but I have that die in the background. And you can kind of see the flower peeking out. It's really, really cute. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And then I wanted to share with you this Easter card that I made using this die right here. And this is the way my Easter card came out. And I think it came out really, really pretty. I used some Cricut shiny paper and some acetate. And I layered this really cute die that's in my stash on some fun foam and popped it up. I used one of my favorite bow dies right there and that hello, and that's the way this one came out. So I've got an Easter card ready to go for Easter. Really, really pretty scene. And then this is the inside of the card, and I stamped a little Easter bunny on the inside. I thought he was super cute. And then this is the back of the card, and I just stamped my handmade stamp and used a die from my stash to cut that out. So really, really pretty Easter card. And then what I did with the baby stamps is I made a couple of tags, and these are the two tags that I made. And as you can see, it says hello little princess, and I die cut it out. And then I stamped the little elephant image and used Wink Stella to color this image up, so it's a little shimmery. And then on the back I stamped out to and from. And then I did basically the same thing on this one, just colored the elephant with a blue, I guess, not Wink Stella, maybe it's Spectrum Noir, the sparkly pins. That's what I used. And then I just layered it with this scallop die. And again, I stamped to and from, and I kind of messed up right there, but that's okay. Stamp before you. I stamped it after I had made the embellishment, and you guys know that's a no-no, so don't do what I did. But anyway, those are the two little tags I created. And then this is the baby card that I created using the welcome baby stamp and that adorable little giraffe image. And then I used a variety of dies that are in my stash to create this card. And I absolutely love this baby card. I have my husband's, one of his business partners is pregnant, so I had to make a card for her. She's expecting a girl, so I'm really happy with this one, and that one's gonna go to her. I did add the sparkly pin on the clouds to make them shimmer, so they're all glittered up. Really, really pretty. And then so is the giraffe. I did the same thing using the sparkle pin. So super cute. And then on the inside of the card, it looks like that. And I used the stamp that says it's a girl from that same set, and just layered it with these nesting dies. And I think it came out super cute. And this is the back of the card, and I just did my handmade stamp. And that is what I have to share with you today. It's a quick share, but I hope that you're inspired. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.